In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Lovable to build applications without writing code. We will create an app using simple text prompts, customize the design and features with AI, and deploy the app online. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to turn your ideas into a working application using a no-code workflow. In the text prompt, we will ask Lovable to build a modern task management application called TaskFlow. The app should include features such as user authentication, a dashboard, task creation and management, task priority levels, due dates, a completed task section, and a responsive mobile-friendly design with a clean modern interface. Once the prompt is submitted, Lovable may ask a few additional questions to better understand the app requirements and refine the overall user experience. These questions can include preferred color themes, layout styles, target audience, navigation structure, and any extra features you would like to include. Based on your responses, Lovable will generate a more polished and customized application with improved design, functionality, and responsiveness. After collecting all the necessary details and preferences, Lovable will begin building the application automatically using AI. The platform will generate the complete app structure, including the user interface, navigation system, database configuration, authentication flow, and the core features requested in the prompt. During this process, Lovable analyzes the requirements and creates a responsive and modern design that works across desktop and mobile devices. Within a short time, the platform will provide a live preview of the application, allowing you to explore the pages, test the functionality, and review the overall design in real time. You can continue improving the app by giving additional instructions in plain English, such as changing colors, adding new features, updating layouts, or improving the user experience, without needing to write any code manually. In the application, there will be sign up and sign in buttons that allow users to create an account and securely log into the platform. When a user registers, their account information, such as email and password credentials, will be securely stored in Supabase, which can be integrated directly with Lovable to handle authentication and database management. This makes it easy to manage user accounts without writing back-end code manually. Once the app is generated in Lovable, you can click on the code base section to inspect how the application was built behind the scenes. This area lets you view the full project structure, including the front-end components, back-end logic, database integration, and configuration files. From the code base, you can understand how different parts of the app work together, such as how the sign-up and sign-in system connects to Supabase for authentication and data storage. You have successfully built your first web app using Lovable without writing any code manually. You can continue improving it by adding new features, refining the design, or updating functionality simply by describing what you want in plain language. At this stage, you can explore the code base, test the app in real time, and even deploy it so others can use it. This marks the beginning of building full applications quickly using AI-powered no-code development tools.